Had to hallow the top of the tip so the wire wouldn't get hung up and stuck, besides that they work great. Hoping this info will be helpful to others because the spec document for that welder does not say what size threads the tip requires. Turns out, it requires this size. Great buy. We'll buy more when needed. Click link in description for more reviews. Please click the link below for more information. Please subscribe to my channel for more great products. Please use my affiliate links to support my channel.